Poblacion North. Wearing jersey number 14, Season. Jersey number 8, Kabutahe. Jersey number 15, Divera. Jersey number 20, Quintana. And jersey number 1, ang Faina. On the other hand, here are the first 5 from Poblacion West. Jersey number 9, Fulgencio. Jersey number 84, La Paz. Jersey number 23, Dawang. Jersey number 22, Nimanzo. And jersey number 39, Tobias. Simulan na po natin ang ating laro. 10 minutes running time para sa bawat kupunan. Quintana and Dawang. Tagawan. Nakuha ni Mr. Quintana. Tuang Faina. To Kabutahe. Kabutahe to Divera. Tumira wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Season. Season to Kabutahe. Tuang Faina. 4 seconds to shoot. Still by Mr. Fulgencio. Fulgencio drives to the pass. 2 points. Ang final this time. Another steal. Kabutahe to Mr. Angfaina. To Divera. Divera inside to Season. Great move but a strong one. Tumira Mes. Nakuha ni Menzo ang bola. Ibinigay kay Tobias. Tobias to La Paz. La Paz to Mr. Nimenzo. Nimenzo 2 points.
Sapatos. Injured yung daliri.
Ang Faina may taba ng bola para kay Divera. Ibalik ang Faina to Kabutahe. Wala. Nakuha ni Menzo. To Tobias. Tobias to Mr. La Paz. Out of bound, ball possession, Poblacion North.
Problema natin sa Abato, yung mga player ng
Lobat. Lobat Mike.
And this was Mr. Season to inside. Limensa able to steal to Tobias. Kabutahe to Angfaina. Divera 2 points. 2-4. 7 minutes and 39 seconds. Dawang for 2. Still by Mr. Nimenzo to Tobias. Tobias to La Paz. 2 points.
Hindi mama mo? Ha? Hindi ka bukas ha? Sarap mo na naman eh. Tatapal ko sa hijama eh. Hindi mo na.
bahala dyan.
Ang final to Divera. Quintana. Kabutahe for 3. And there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number, technical, jersey number 22 for shouting. Baka mali kasi yung terminal, mga area. 7 minutes.
Dito kami sa bantog.
Divera Trump final. Ang final to inside. Nakuha ang bola ni Mr. Nemenzo. Nemenzo to Mr. Tawang. Tawang still holding the ball to Mr. Nemenzo. Fulgencio, sorry. The pass. This time to Tobias. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds. Play ball, Nemenzo. 2 points. Wala mo napapansin. Tubig na wala. Ay! May foul. Foul jersey number 39. Tobias, first personal foul. Second team foul, Poblacion West.
Pasok mo naman si Keron. Ngayon na.
Wala si Marco.
Tobias. May tama ng bola. Tobias through the pass to Nemenzo. Tobias na steal Mr. Kabatahe to Kobe Quintana. 2 points. Great pass to Dawa. 2 points. Ang final. Wait, maganda rin na. Kaya wala. They better for the second time around. Quintana. Mira. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 1 ng final subdivision. Nemenzo out. Quezon. In. Ang final. First personal foul.
Eh, wala tayong tubig, no?
Dawang, 2 points.
Walang. Pero doble yan.
5 minutes and 5 seconds. Ang final to De Vera. To Mr. Quintana. Back to Kabutahe, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Referee, ball possession, Poblacion West. Sana ang ball possession ko sana. Same color kasi. I'm so sorry, I'm really tired. Really exhausted. Na. Quezon to Tobias. Tobias to La Paz. Inside. Referee's call. Traveling violation. Four minutes and 7 seconds. Kabutahe miss. Nakuha ni Mr. Fulgencio ang rebound. To Quezon. Quezon drives. Quezon using the glass for 2. Ito na si Mr. Angfina. Angfina may tama ng bola to De Vera. De Vera for 3. Tobias to La Paz. La Paz to Dawang. Dawang, tumira wala. Dawang for 2. Yes, sir.
Tinanong mo?
18, 10. Rivera to ang final. Ang final to Kabutahe. Kabutahe to ang final. 10 to shoot. Quezon, ito steal to Tobias. Tobias. Kemerpin. Time out. Poblacion West. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Alam mo naman Mongoloid. Mamatulog yung tao.
The pass missed.
Kahirap naman ang walang kasama. Yung mic ko rin mo, ano?
Here is Kabutahe. Inside the Rivera once again. Basic shot. Twelve, 18. Here's Tobias. Inside. And Quezon. He hit it. 2 points. Rivera once again may tama ng bola. To Mr. Sison. Ang final. Nakuha. Ito na si Mr. Valdez to Tobias. To Valdez. Valdez. Foul jersey number 1. Another foul for ang final. Second personal foul. Subdivision ang final out. Ibarra. In 1 minute and 46 seconds. Valdez first throw missed. Second throw pasok. Oras natin 1 minute and 43 seconds. Nakuha ni Mr. Valdez.
Nawawala bola rin.
Valdez to Mr. Tobias. To La Paz. La Paz. Nakuha ang bola. Ito si Mr. Ibarra. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Walang
Kasi lawayain mo.
1 minute and 15. Substitution, Dawang out. Jersey number 19, Nemenzo in.
Number
16 seconds to shoot for Poblacion West. Valdez turns and shoot. Wala. Nakakuha ni Mr. Kabutahe. Kabutahe to Sison. 15 to shoot. Last 55 seconds. Rivera, one-hand shot. Missed. Nakakuha ang bola ni Mr. Lacaz. 18 seconds. Oh. 10 seconds. The pass able to get the ball to Valdez. Valdez, wala. Ang kagawin ng bola, 25 seconds. Rivera, wala. Nakuha ni Nemenzo to the glass. 18 seconds. That's a turn, shoot, miss. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. End of our first quarter, 12-21.
Ano ba? Meron ba? Ano?
Sige na, back to the ball game, second quarter. Score ba natin, 12-21.
Ay, kinanong pa ba niya? Oo. Lag. Magpadala ka sa Oslam niya.
Tobias, may tama ng bola. Bitawan ng bola ni Mr. Rivera. Rivera to number 31, pushes. Lapas to rebound. Lapas to Quezon. Quezon to Valdez. Wala. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 39. Second personal foul of Tobias. First team foul. Rivera first throw, pasok.
Ayaw nga pala.
Substitution. Tobias out.
Pwede. Sabihin mo na lang ano.
Valdez. Tumira, wala. Referee's call.
Gumanyan ako.
Ibarra to Spiritu. Too strong. La pass this time. Valdez, wala. La pass. Menzo, wala. Rivera, 2 points.
Grabe lang.
11 points for Rivera. Santos, wala. Substitution. Nimenzo out. Nimenzo in. Poblacion North Basketball. ARB.
Yan, kasama na lagi.
Santos. Knockout.
No. There.
No basket. 7 minutes and 44 foul to number 10. And that's Mr. Espiritu.
Sa bench nila. Kuya Jack, patay pa.
Quezon to La Paz. 2 points.
Pag-ibig ako okay na eh. Alamaris na ano eh. Kuya Jack, kung nagagano mo.
Referee's call. Foul jersey number 26. Valdez out. Dawang in. Santos first personal foul. Second team foul for Poblacion West.
Pinakain na siya, ipapadami na. Kain ay pinagkainan niya. Hello, kayo!
La Paz to Santos. To Nemenzo. Nemenzo fires. 2 points. Rivera for 3. 14 points for Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice landing by Mr. Referee's call. Another foul for jersey number 10 is fitted to second personal foul. Also second team foul for substitution.
Parang boses ko yun eh. Mabigay duty mo.
Referee's call for Blushmore. Basketball.
Talaga, wala ka ng pera.
Five minutes and 38 seconds. La Paz, 2 points. There is Kabutahe. Then 5 minutes and 15. 10 to shoot.
Paano kung marado si Hailo?
10 seconds to shoot. Santos. 4 minutes and 55. Laki. Season, 2 points.
Bounce, bounce, Samuel, pagpasa.
The pass, this time to Mr. Dawang. Track ball, Poblacion North, basketball. Substitution. Tobias will be replacing
La Paz.
La Paz and Quintana replacing Season. Ibarra and inside the Verha. Kabutahe to Ibarra. Ibarra for 3, missed. Quezon, pinabak na ang bola. Foul jersey number 15. Substitution, let's have the Vera out, Espiritu in. Third team foul for Poblacion North. First personal foul for the Vera. Here's Tobias. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, Quintana, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Time remaining 4 minutes. Tobias, first throw, missed. Tobias, second throw, missed, but Tobias made the follow-up right there. And it out ang Hawana Lucky. Ito, tingnan natin. Wala pa rin.
Bugi, foul ka dyan!
Ito na si Mr. Ibarra. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. 10 to shoot. Ibarra. Referee's call. It's a foul pushing. Jersey number 23. It's Dawang, first personal foul, third team foul.
Ayun o, harap natin, di ko ano.
Another whistle.
Bang radio yan.
Foul foul, jersey number 23. Second personal foul, substitution. It's step down out De La Rosa in. Kabutay first throw in. Second throw for Mr. Kabutahe. Wala. 22-27. Gets on 2 points.
Ay, kasama daw, pupunta mo sila.
Kabutahe to Espiritu. So Kabutahe. Kabutahe, wala. Nakabola ni Mr. Quezon. Quezon, very strong pass. Substitution. Santos out, La Paz in. Substitution, Limenzo out, Fulgencio in. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Score natin, 29-22. Espiritu to Kabutahe. Back to Espiritu, and yes.
Wow, jersey number 9.
There's a foul, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, Fulgencio first. Personal foul, warning for penalty. Buntin.
Kaya may ganito. Totoo ano, hawakan mo pa. Ayun na, oh. Bumaliktad ka naman. Broken it! Down! Go down! Ayan na, okay!
Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Palarosa, wala. Kabutahe to Mr. Quintana. That's 1 minute and 43 seconds.
Nagawa.
Kabutahe missed. And there is Kabutahe to points. 24-29. Lucas. 10 seconds to shoot. Tobias for 3. Back to the ball game.
Sa kabila.
Last 48 seconds. Forty-three seconds. Here is Tobias. Tobias recover the bola, still holding. And a pass. It's Fulgencio. Bounce pass to De La Rosa. 8 to shoot.
Matapang naman ang Diyos ko.
Last 20 seconds. 12 Traveling violation. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Pag lumabog yun, 3 bola.
5 seconds.
Dribble naman kasi.
3 seconds.
Asa ano yun?
And pass. Last 3 seconds. 2. And of our first half.
Oo, pwede naman, dahil pa lang. Ay, parehan.
Balik na po tayo sa ating laro. Second half, 10 minutes. Ang bibigay muli natin sa bawat kupunan. Talaan po natin 24 laban sa 32. Here is Mr. Sison. Time to shoot for Poblacion North. Quezon able to check the ball, able to get it. Now dribbling, and here is Mr. De Vera to steal. Another 2 points for the Vera. We're not out of bound. Poblacion West basketball.
Pina-ensure nito eh.
Another 3 points from Tobias.
Puro pasado.
Quintana. Nakakuha na naman ni La Paz. La Paz, great move. 37-26. Inside to Quintana, wala pa rin, inaalat. And Rivera to ang final. Chance for Sison this time. Inside, binukod wala. Great defense by Quezon. Valdez able to get the ball. Valdez drives. Valdez. At Tobias, sorry. Referee's call. 15. Foul jersey number 15. Second personal foul of Mr. De Vera. First team foul. Full hand shot, first throw missed.
Dito din, no? Kasi mayroon yung biglang tirahan sa
Ang final to De Vera. De Vera to ang final. Wala. Valdez to rebound. Palakas ng malakas. Quezon able to get the ball. Taking it away using one hand. The pass sa gitna. And Tobias able to put that in. Missed. Ball possession. Poblacion.
Nakakalungkot yun pag pinuwi ako.
La Paz.
Shoot yan, di ka ba?
Who's the foul rep? Foul jersey number 1, ang Fina. Ang Fina, third personal foul. Second team foul. Here is Tobias to Mr. Fulgencio. Lakas fakes and 3 points. Miss. Nakuha dito but malakas.
binili kay Andre yung release. Tagal talaga yung release.
Same ball.
Sumising din pala, sumising din pag muna ka rin yan eh. Lalo ka rin eh.
Parang gusto nyo, kalibete pa. Mas pinapuro eh.
Ano ang motibo sa quick release?
Here is Rivera.
Sure ball.
Balmores.
Missed. Ang final dribbling the ball. Missed. Last 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Quezon, 3-meter shot, miss. Quezon to rebound. Ball possession, same ball substitution. Valdez out. Jersey number 23, Tawang in. Another substitution. Tobias out. Santos.
Safety!
10 to shoot. Missed. Full hand show to Mr. La Paz, able to save. Luckily, Tawang is there. Tawang fires 2 points.
Best player na naman, Elro.
Five minutes and 17 seconds. Ang final. Santos. Ball possession, substitution, ang final out. Jersey number 31, Ibarra in. Kabutahe, tumira, wala. Nako ni Season. Inside to the Vera. Grabe, napaka-isip ko mag-play ng Vera.
Bago sigat.
Referee's call and a basket count. Foul jersey number 20, Quintana. Quintana, second personal foul, 13 foul.
Saan ka na ba?
42-28. Here is Mr. Ibarra to Rivera. Rivera, tumira, wala. Rebounded by Mr. Tawang to Santos. Wow. Season, 2 points. Oras natin, 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Nakuha pa rin ni Tawang. Wala pa rin. Quezon, wala. Poblacion North Basketball. Time out. Back to the ball game. 30-42. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Season, 2 points. Santos. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 20, Quintana. Third personal foul. warning for penalty. Santos will be having 2 free throws. First throw missed. Tinatawa na ko ng girlfriend mo, kalakas, narinig ko pa hanggang dito. Second throw, wala. Ibarra this time. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Number 1 for Sison. Fires. And whistle blows. Foul jersey number 23 for Bushman. Third personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Santos will be replacing by Tobias. Season first throw. Assault. Another throw, last shot. Jumpers ready. Missed. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Seconds to shoot. That's Quintana. Thirty-five, 42. Dawang inside, 2 points. La Paz. Sison. Nabitawan ang bola. Poblacion West Basketball. Oras natin 1 minute and 20 seconds. Nakakatakot na naman.
Lalim kasi ng boss. Oras.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Time to shoot. Substitution. Fulhenshaw out. Limenzo in.
Lugi face basket.
Limenzo. Last 47 seconds. Libera for 3.
40 minutes yung kita, sa'yo ko na ibibigay kung may nauna.
24 seconds. 12 to shoot. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 15 hit. Penalty situation, third personal foul.
Ikaw, alas 10 na.
La Paz, first row pasok.
Pinenso ko rin yan si JR. Ano nung nagising. Bakit kami yung mention ko, nag-message.
Second row pasok. 11 seconds. 10 seconds. Referee's call. Another foul.
Ano nila ngayon? O, yun lang nila. Hindi na, maaaring ito na.
2 Jersey number 23 once again. Warning for foul out, fourth personal foul. Bawang. Substitution. Bawang, jersey number 23. Last 6 seconds. 6 na segundo. Then, 5. Kapuntahe, 2 seconds. And of our third. Back to the ball game, fourth quarter na tayo, 10 minutes. Foul jersey number 20, Quintana. Substitution, Quintana out. Warning for fouled out, Quintana. Tobias to Mr. Quezon. To La Paz for 3, miss. Valdez able to rebound. Wrong pass. Nakuha ni Sir Para. Bounce pass to Season. Season drive. Missing the glass miss. And then Manzo able to rebound to Mr. Quezon. Quezon, here he comes. Quezon drives, pushes, and he got a foul right there. And our foul goes to jersey number 31. First, personal foul of Ibarra. Second, team foul. Nine minutes and 12. 10 seconds to shoot for Poblacion West. Referee's call, same ball, 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Then Menzo fires. Nawala ang bola. Napunta kay Kabutahe. Kabutahe kay Ibarra. Ibarra to Mr. Check. La Paz, great play. And La Paz able to put that in. 54, a 3, 43. Seconds. Wala. Nakuha ang bola ni Sir La Paz. La Paz. Referee's call.
Nice pass.
Foul for number 8. That's Kabutahe. First personal foul. Timeout. Back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 1 second. 10-point lead for Poblacion West. So wala po tayong laro muna bukas. Magkita-kita po tayo sa Sabado at Linggo. And happy long weekend sa ating lahat. Exciting. Apat na
Ganito na lang, boss. Paano kung may pagkakataon?
Subdivision Valdez out, full hand shot in.
Okay.
Referee's call. Blocking foul committed by jersey number 2, Quezon. Quezon first personal foul, first team foul. Pabot kami, miss. And great pass, Menzo. Wala, lapas, wala pa rin. Malas. There's Season once again. Season wala. Nagawa ng bola. Nakatek. 12 seconds. 7 minutes and 16.
Payag na kayo ni Jeff. Payag na kayo ni Jeff. Yang di mapayag. Kasi mo ni Hayat na.
Tobias to Lapaz. Lapaz, tumira, wala. Nakuha ang bola ng Mr. Menzo to Quezon. Bitawan. I-receive para. Wala pa rin pa. Tobias, may kamera ng bola. Jumbo, ball possession, possession more.
Tawagin mo nga Garod. Ginaganyan niya. Tinawag tapos
Great time. Kabot tayo. Tobias, nagkakaw na naman. There is Devera. Devera to Mr. Kabutahe. Kabutahe wala. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 39, Tobias, third personal foul, second team foul. Oras natin 6 minutes and 14 seconds.
Kaya pala iba ka ako yung galo eh. Isa dito yun eh.
si Boogie sa kasi ano ito ay yung Boogie dyan. Yung palit ni jersey. Kasi Andre anak.
6 minutes and 10. A great pass, Paul Henshaw.
Late nung score.
Ano yung kakahilig mo? Sumama ka sa amin
Ball possession, same ball. 5 minutes and 42 seconds.
ano na naman, gusto mo nakasasakyan na naman. Huwag na tayong pumunta. Ayaw ba nakamotor? Motor nga lang yung nakasakaya.
8 seconds to shoot.
Go!
Quezon, referee's call. Sinong foul? Foul jersey number 14. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Siguro na talaga. Mas madaling isingit-singit. 5 minutes and
5 minutes and 25.
Alam yan dito. Wala pa rin. Si Andy ayaw nang duminat eh.
Quezon second foul.
Kulang na lang tabala.
Hindi ba? Wait lang, walang salo. Wala pa rin. Diyan ka lang. Devera to Kabutahe. Nakataon na naman. Ni Menzo to Tobias. Batibara, nakatikan. pa rin to. Ano ang sabi ni Mr. Tobias? Tumira? Wala? And there you go, Quezon. Here is Ibarra holding the ball, 4 minutes and 45. Eight to shoot, 5 seconds. 4. Rivera to Ibarra to Mr. Kabutahe. Referee call. Foul jersey number 22, Limenzo, substitution. Limenzo, Ibarra, Kabutahe. Go. Limenzo, second personal foul. We only have 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 11 to shoot for Poblacion North. 14, sorry. La Paz, 2 points. Another 2 points, La Paz. Still by Mr. Rivera and Espiritu. How alat naman they are. Hindi sila lucky tonight. Here is Quezon blocked by Quintana. Naagawan ng Season. Season Espiritu. Parang Season. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. More ang makirap. Dawang, 2 points. And still, Tobias. Ups, ay! Sarap. Okay lang? O, kasama yun. Ay, ayan na.
Titira ko ng balik na. Highlights yan yan. Defense, may dapat
Buti nga, winalisan ko pa yan eh. Puro basura yan kanina.
8 minutes lang.
Time out now. Poblacion North.
Ito lang tinitignan ko, isa. Kuha lahat yan.
Last 2 minutes.
James, ano ba?
Mahilig.
Last 1 minute and 38 seconds, and that's Dawang, 2 points.
B, si B.
Pinasok na yung player. Ayan talaga yung literal.
Last 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Magpipeace sign mamaya yan. Peace sign pala. Ayan. Point guard! Point guard! Nice one! Whoa! Ayan na, oh. Whoa!
Pasok pa.
Nice pass!
Hinga!
Hey!
Wala.
Elroy!
Dawa.
Kenneth James!
One minute. Referee's call. Foul jersey number 19. Substitution.
Ay, mamaya.
Ano pa po? Wala. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Good. Last 40 seconds. Shoot mo na kay Ron. Huwag yun mo naman tayo. Oh, okay. 12 seconds. Sige. 10. 25 seconds. Ball possession, Poblacion North. 24 seconds.
Hindi palo mo yung Sili. Sinigawan ko yung palo. Sinapalo ng Miguel. Nakatabi mo pala siya ako.
This is acceptance. 8 seconds.
Nakatabi ko pala siya ako. Ang puta na kayo.
3 seconds. End of our game. Congratulations once again to our winning team, Poblacion West. Final score 50-70. 7 points lang ang naidagdag sa fourth quarter ng Poblacion North. And well, on the other hand, 20 points being added sa ating.
Best player, best player.
And of course, our player of the game wearing jersey number 84, La Paz. Picture.